ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Let's do the another question from the chapter 5. So that is the plant movements. This was asked in the year 2018. I mean very recently they have asked this question. So if the question is given like this, so what you need to answer here, ma? Plant movements, like how the plant move. Okay, not like this, not that movement. They just bend or like that. Okay, the parts will bend. Next in that, phototropism. What is phototropism means? The plant move toward, means bend towards light, like a sunflower, like that bends towards light. Okay. Next, geotrophism. See, the roots move towards, grow towards water. Towards water, so like grows towards the soil. It's called geotropism. Okay, and here the shoot comes. Shoot always grows towards positive phototropism. Root always grows towards the soil. That is the nothing is geotropism. Next, hydrotrophism. What is hydrotrophism means? Moving towards water. You are also roots apply here. Grows towards soil and water. What's water? So this is both for the roots here. And the last one, stigmotrophism. What does this stigmotrophism means? If you see any climbers or twinners, okay, like they crawl, I mean not crawl, okay, they start creeping, okay, they start creeping on any support like that. Okay, this is about the movements. Phototropism means movement towards this light here. Geotropism means the move towards the soil here. Hydro means water there. And stigmotrophism is like climbers, like creepers. What they do, just creep around the support. Okay, they go for the support and they'll go for creeping here. So these are some set of plant movements, and this was asked in the year 2018 here. This question also can ask like anything. They can give you some in tabular form like that, or some list they give and they ask you about the functions like that. So you should be ready for this question. Let's check it out the another question, that is the previous year question here. So what was the question they are asking? The nerve cell. So this question can appear for the 2 mark as well as for the 4 mark and as well as for the 8 marks question. So you know the nerve cell, right? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, what is the nerve cell? It is also called the neuron, not nephron, neuron. Nervous system, they are made up of nerves, right? So the unit is called the neuron here. So what is the structure? They consist of the 2 parts called the cell body and the axon. So this is a cell body. Okay, long axon they'll have, and they end with the terminals like knobs they'll have. Okay, so this is their cell body. This is their cell body. Okay, these are the long dendroids. They end with dendrites. Okay, dendrites. So this cell body consists of the nasal granules like this, and also nucleus, nasal granules and nucleus. Nucleus will be present there. And this long axon, this is called the long axon. So this long axon, it may be continuous or it may be the discontinuous. It is covered by one sheath. Sheath toni cover ayi untundi. Okay. This sheath is called the myelinated sheath. Myelinated sheath. So this myelinated sheath is not continuous, they leave some gap. This gap is called the nodes of Ranvier. Nodes of Ranvier. Okay. Next, this is called the axon terminal here. This axon terminal have the synaptic knobs. Synapses means where a signal reaches the ends. This is called the synapses. Like the neuron, this is called synapses. Like this is any neuron transmitter here. They transmit the signals. So that is called the synapses. Okay, called the synapses. Signal receiving one. Okay, or the taking one. Like one dendrite. This is one dendrite. Okay, merges or they take signals from the another axon, or it may be any dendroid to dendroid, like that. So this is about the nerve cell. You have to mention about all these points. If you write it, okay, point wise. If you write like this now, you get the good marks. Next, cell body gurinchi rayali, and you have to write about the axon. If you describe all these points, by this the question ends. Should be ready for this question now.
Hello students, my name is R.K. Pandey. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur from electrical engineering. I teach chemistry in K. Venkana classes. I head the chemistry department. The main facility of K. Venkana classes is all the faculty are very rich in experience, and they have taught students who have secured single and double digits. They have got very good ranks in JEE and NEET. So if you are serious for your career and if you want to pursue your career in engineering or medical, you are surely welcome here. The facilities includes not only the top tier teachers, but the other facilities like doubt clearing sessions and other academic as well as personal treatment that is provided by this institute.
So in this video, we are going to discuss the previous year 2 marks question from the chapter 5, that is the coordination. So ee chapter lo manaki previous year 2 marks questions emaithe vachayo anesi chudamu. So first one, a plant which grows near a window bends towards the sunlight. What was the reason they are asking here? This is asked in the year March 2015 lo adigaru nana. So what is the reason here? Auxin. So because of the auxin, the plant bends towards the phototropism, and the movement is the phototropism. So this is the reason here. Then the next second question, draw the nerve cell. This is asked in the March 2016 here. Simply you need to draw the diagram of the neuron, that is a nerve cell. Cell body, dendrites, axon, everything. If you draw with a neat labeled diagram, you get the 2 marks. Next is synapses. What is synapses? Yeah, generally a contact between two neurons is called the Synapses, like the information is passed, nothing but the transmission of the information, transfer of information is called the synapses between the two neuron. ఒక న్యూరాన్ కి ఇంకొక న్యూరాన్ కి ఉన్న కాంటాక్ట్ ఎందుకోసం, because they have to send the information, have to receive the information, so that is called the synapses. Next one, name the part of the brain which maintains a equilibrium. So what is that part? Cerebellum. It will be very small here, like this, back. So that is the part of the brain which maintains the equilibrium there. Then what is the next question? We'll see here. Difference between the hormone and enzyme. What is the hormone here? They are the ductless, means no capillaries, no passage, no channel for that. Ductless, they are the duct. Okay, these enzymes, they produce in more amount. Okay, and they are produced in very less amount. Like example here, lipase. Here, like any hormone you can write, like vasopressin, like thyroxine, anything you can write it as the hormones. So it enters the blood directly, and it will passes through the duct. So that is the difference between hormone. And not only this, what are the other things you need to learn for the 2 marks? I said you right, hormones, both plant hormone, human hormone, you need to learn this charts, okay, table. Like anywhere they can ask this question. And what is the other thing you need to learn here about the sensory neuron or the motor neuron? Okay, motor neurons are also called the efferent. Okay, sensory afferent. So these are the things you need to learn. So by this, the 2 marks questions from the coordination chapter ends. And along with this, you need to prepare the movements, like different movements of the plants. Okay, so you should be ready for the 2 marks question from the coordination. So that's it, ma. We'll see in the next video. Okay.